Just get yourself uncooked egg. We need only egg yolk. Only egg yolk. This is amazing recipe which will bring back your good performance, which will increase on your endurance. Now here is egg yolk, and I told you we need egg yolk. Or next we need Nescafe. Yes, Nescafe. We need only 1 spoon also. 1 spoon for this coffee powder. Only 1 spoon, guys, is enough. Bring it here. Then make sure that you mix very well. Our home recipe, guys. Okay, mix very well. Get for me lemon. It has to be yellow in color at home. We need only 1 piece, so it means you get a half of your lemon. Squeeze it and get its juice, as you see what I'm doing right now in this video. Bring here your juice, which we need only. Okay, as you see. So next we need garlic. Okay, we need just 1 piece of garlic, as you see. Only this one is enough. Okay, 1 piece of garlic. Remove the outer part of your garlic, just grating it first. Okay, do the same. Bring it here. Mix again very well. So next step, you need hot water, hot boiled water. Make sure that your water is totally hot. Okay, well boiled and it's hot. So you need just 1 glass, as you see. Add it here. This is enough. Okay, and mix very well. Lastly, we need natural honey. We are going to add only 1 spoon to our home remedy. Okay, 1 spoon to our home remedy. Just 1 spoon is enough, guys. So it's enough. This is the way it looks like. Very nice remedy, and doesn't have side effects, no overdose, and it's natural. I want you to take this home recipe every day on your empty stomach before eating anything. Trust me, take it at least less than 4 weeks to start seeing good results in 3 weeks. But start taking it right now on your empty stomach less than 4 weeks. If I tell you less than 4 weeks, it means you can take more than 4 weeks, 10, 12, but less than 4 weeks. Trust me, you are doing the same. This is amazing home remedy which will bring back your performance forever. So if you are less than 5 minutes, please take this home recipe every day less than 4 weeks. My dear, you are doing the same.